Hello, my name is Christian Angel, and today I will be showing you how to install, set up, and use Shortkeys. Once you have downloaded Shortkeys, you will need to install it onto your computer. So click on the icon, and then click on Continue. Now you should see a blue box come up like above. When you see the welcome screen, just click on Next. Put a dot by I agree, and then click on Next. Put a dot by default installation, and then click on Next. Now click on Next. Now you can see that Shortkeys is installing onto your computer. Uncheck the box that says View what's new in this release of Shortkeys 3 now. Make sure you have checked the box that says Do not show this the next time Shortkeys runs. Now click on Next. Now click on Next. Now click on Next. Now click on Finished. Now go to Options, and then Preferences. Uncheck Place in System Tray, and also uncheck Close button, hides or minimizes. Leave it as it is. 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 You will need to change the prefix keys to hash, and requires exact upper/lowercase match on Shortkey. Leave it as it is. Change all Shortkeys use from 300 to 150,000 microseconds. Uncheck Run when Windows starts up. You might get a security window come up. If you do, just click on OK. Now click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now click on Help, and then click on License Shortkeys. Now type in your name and the activation code you got in an email. Now go to Category, and then New Category. Under Name, type in the category name you want it to be. For example, I have typed in BP League, and then click on OK. Now go to Shortkeys, and then add Shortkey, and a new window should open up. There is a few things you need to do in this part. First off, where it says Original Shortkey, you will see a blank box. Click inside this box, and type in the name of the Shortkey. For example, my Shortkey. Don't add any spaces. Now copy and paste your Shortkey text, or type it in. Now click on the Insert button, and then click on Delay. Now type in 300 in the empty box, and then click on OK. If you got more than one line, you will need to add insert to each line, and you can do this by click on Insert button. Now hover over Miscellaneous key, and then click on Insert. Please do not forget to add a delay to each line also. Now click on Save and Close. Now repeat step 28 and step 29. Once you have added all your Shortkeys, you will need to open up Notepad. Now type in hashtag name of Shortkey, and you should see it typing the text out. If it don't type out, you need to check the name of the Shortkey. That is how you install, set up, and run Shortkeys.